Hey, this is Jason, the service manager over at Superior Performance in Window, North Carolina. I hope you're having a great 2021. Happy New Year. So, we all make New Year's resolutions. What New Year's resolutions have you made for your car? We all like to improve ourselves. Our car needs to be improved sometimes too. So for the month of January, for first-time customers, and this part applies throughout the year, as a first-time customer, come in, let us check your car out, address some of your needs. You get a free windshield treatment just for coming in, walking in the door, and letting us check your vehicle out. Absolutely free, no charge. We'll also throw in a free ice scraper. Awesome. For the month of January, one of the specials we're going to run is 10% off of your confirmed appointment. And the way that works is you come in, you get a diagnostic, we tell you what's wrong with your vehicle, you make an appointment to get the repair done later if you don't want to do it right then. As long as you honor that appointment within 90 days, you get 10% off of your repair bill, parts, and labor included. Now, for returning customers, we haven't forgot you. If there's anything we've ever recommended you in the past as a returning customer, call me. Go online, make an appointment for something we've recommended. As long as that appointment's kept, same deal, within 90 days, you get 10% off. Hope you guys are having a great 2021. Let me know how we can help.